Hello there, and thank you for coming back to our channel. In today's episode, we take a look at the lives of Chris and Rob, better known by their business name SalvageRebuilds UK, who are both very experienced auto technicians and are from Kent, England. They are known across the area as some of the best car doctors due to the fact that they specialize in the repair of a wide range of vehicles, from vintage and antique automobiles to modern automobiles that have been in accidents. The two individuals conduct their business out of a garage in Kent that is stocked with all of the necessary tools, and there they perform a variety of services to ensure that automobiles are in peak operating condition. Panel beating, bodywork, anode welding, sheet metal spot welding, fabrication, chassis repairs, sandblasting, engine and mechanical repairs, DPF cleaning, restoration, and structural repairs are just some of the areas of knowledge that they possess. They are truly masters of all trades, able to handle anything that may be necessary in order to repair a vehicle. Their channel on YouTube, which is called SalvageRebuilds UK, acts as a platform for them to demonstrate their abilities and advertise their company. They are also very active on Instagram, which makes it simple for people to communicate with them directly through the platform. They are always willing to take on new projects, and it appears that Chris in particular possesses a diverse set of skills as well as a talent for making anything that he could require. Chris and his wife are involved in the automotive business, but he also owns a farm, which demonstrates the breadth and depth of his interests and abilities. Chris and Rob have become well known all throughout England, which resulted in a collaboration contract with Comline, one of the most well-known suppliers of automotive parts. As a result of this relationship, they were able to publish a film with the title Salvage Builds Recovery Truck Annual Maintenance Plus Repair, in which they demonstrated how they used Comline supplies to repair worn-out components in a 2007 Vauxhall Movano. The feedback that they've gotten from their viewers has been extremely good, which has helped to consolidate the partnership's success. Rob was pleased with how things had turned out and shared his thoughts by saying, "The partnership with Comline has been very successful so far, and we've received a great response from our audience." Both Chris and I have been impressed by the products offered by Comline, and we are proud to recommend their brand to our readers because it makes it possible to perform great repairs at an inexpensive price. Chris and Rob have not lost their modesty or their down-to-earth nature in spite of their growing success and recognition. They take the time to read and respond to comments left by their fans, which, given the size of their channel, is an admirable gesture. They joined YouTube on March 31, 2019, and have since garnered a fan following of 243,000 subscribers, with over 59 million views spread throughout the 485 videos that they have released. Their commitment is made clear by the fact that they upload around 3 films per week, in which they document their journey as mechanics, share what they discover or buy, and get to work on a variety of different tasks. Their ability to work on such a diverse selection of automobiles is undoubtedly one of the channel's most outstanding features. They have a broad lineup of cars that they have put a lot of effort into developing, which includes anything from Ferraris and Lamborghinis to Fords, Fiats, Bentleys, Mercedes, Hondas, and Land Rovers. Their level of experience is readily apparent in each and every assignment that they embark on. SalvageRebuilds UK receives an average of roughly 68,000 views per day, which amounts to an estimated income of $250 to $270 per day, or around $8,000 per month. This income is based on the number of views. The entirety of their estimated net worth comes from the advertising money generated by their channel, which is roughly $278,784. Their potential earnings may end up being higher than these predictions, given that they sell cars and sponsor brands. The clarity and accessibility of the information presented on their channel are without a doubt the features that attract the most viewers. A lot of people, including myself, would really enjoy watching Rob and Chris take part in a question and answer session, or talk more about who they are. It would be a fantastic chance to get in touch with the individuals who are responsible for SalvageRebuilds UK and have a better understanding of them. We strongly encourage you to pay a visit to their channel if you haven't already done so. You can find it here. In the description box down below, you'll find a link that takes you to their channel.